Hi, my name is Robin Hugh. I am the Curriculum Quality Lead for Business, and I'm going to give you a little bit of an overview of what we do in the business department here at Station Plaza. We offer 3 courses: the Level 2 First Diploma in Business course, the Level 3 Year 1 Foundation Diploma in Business course, and the Level 3 Year 2 Extended Diploma in Business course. So let me give you a little bit of information about each one of those. To get onto the Level 2 First Diploma in Business course, you need to have a minimum of 4 GCSEs Grade 3, including English and Maths. So if you haven't quite got the GCSEs you're hoping for, the Level 2 First Diploma is a great course to go on. It will get you the equivalent of 4 GCSEs. It's a 1-year course, and then you can progress on to the Level 3 Year 1 Foundation Diploma in Business course. To get onto that one, you need a minimum of a 5 in GCSE English, a 4 in Maths, and 3 more 4s. Okay, that is a 1-year course, but then you successfully complete that one and you will go on to the Year 2 course, and that would be equivalent to 3 A-levels. And if you wish, you'll be able to progress into university or go into a full-time job. On all the courses, you study a range of units. The idea is you get a foundation in business. Level 2, there are 2 exams, a marketing exam, a marketing exam and a finance exam, and then a range of other units such as small business planning, recruitment and selection. And then you'll go on to the Level 3, where you'll study 6 units in Year 1, 2 of which are examined. And again, you might do similar kind of topics: human resource management, recruitment and selection, managing a business event, finance, marketing, but to a higher level. And then in Year 2, you will do 7 units, 2 of which are examined, and then the other 5 are optional. Each year you kind of specialise a little bit more. You get a more expert knowledge in certain aspects of the course, because the idea is you will find some units that you both enjoy and you are good at, and that will be telling you the kind of career you can go into, or what you would like to further study at university. Because obviously at university you might go and do a degree in finance or a degree in law, where you really do specialise in one area before you go into the world of work. This college, we've been here since 2010, it is effectively a brand new college. It's got some excellent facilities. It is a lovely place to work. It's not just a place to work and study, which you can do in the classroom, in the library, but also to hang out with your friends as well. It's got some great facilities, it's got some great little cafes, restaurants that you can go to, and it's bang in the centre of the town, so it's very handy and right next to the train station and the bus station.